At some point, the reunification therapist will raise their hand and say, okay, this isn't working. And coming from the therapist, that carries a lot of weight.
I have never seen this work to the extent that anybody would certainly hope that it works. But generally speaking, despite all the therapeutic intervention and orders that the court can make, if you fundamentally have two parents that will not co-parent productively, that continue to have residual issues from the breakup of their relationship, and there could be other issues, substance abuse, mental illness, who knows, domestic violence. Those type of things are always going to impact and exacerbate the situation. So these are the types of cases that you're hoping for the best, but you're probably not expecting to ever get that. And again, I think that ultimately what sometimes parents need to hear, and what I certainly talk to my clients about, is the reality of spending years in court, tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars on legal fees, and what the outcome might be, versus taking a different approach, trying to treat the child with more respect, trying to meet the child at their level, trying to understand what the issue is, recognizing mea culpa, I did some things wrong, I need to repair myself, and then hoping that, again, once the child becomes an adult and the family court has nothing to do with custody and visitation, there can be a productive and meaningful relationship for the rest of their respective lives. That type of advice doesn't always resonate, but certainly there's more than one way to approach this, and reunification therapy is probably not going to give anybody what they really are seeking.